So now to test the theory, I've selected on the selector buttons every other needle of the group of 12 needles. I have position 1 odds selected. The 0 means the whole bed, not a sixth of the bed. And on the carriage, I have selected the pattern button, and all that remains to be done is to slide the carriage across and see whether the machine is now selecting every other needle. And it's looking good because you can see the little pistons I mentioned earlier are alternately selected and they're sitting on their springs, so I'm hopeful that this will actually work. You can hear the rattle of the carriage, sounds good. And that's looking good to me. Woohoo! Every other needle selected. Well, it was worth taking this machine to bits, having never met a knitting machine before this week, but I think by the time I've cleaned the inside and maybe lubricated it and made sure that those springs are sat in their position, if you saw the first little clip I made, it looks like we're on our way to success. I hope so anyway, but that may be useful information for anyone else with a KS787.